Hello friends. In first video we have discussed about details of vacancies, their number of posts, upper age limit, application fee, age relaxation and scheme of examination. In this video we are going to discuss about education qualification requirements for the different posts. These are different posts. About these posts we have already discussed. Total number of positions are 233. For the food analyst, the education qualification is the master degree in chemistry or biochemistry or microbiology or dairy chemistry or food technology, food and nutrition, or bachelor of technology in dairy, oil, or degree in veterinary science from university, or associate of institution of chemist for examination in the section of food analyst conducted by the institution of chemist or any other equivalent qualification, and 3-year experience in analysis of food, and has been declared qualified for appointment as a food analyst by the board or notified by the authority. GATE, CSIR and ICAR net is desirable. Means master degree in all these subject plus 3-year experience or plus food analyst qualified person is eligible for the post of food analyst. The number of vacancies is 4. The second is technical officer. In this number of vacancy is 125. The education qualification master degree in chemistry, biochemistry, food technology, food science and technology, food and nutrition, or edible oil technology, microbiology, dairy technology, or agriculture or horticulture science, or industrial microbiology, or toxicology, or public health, or life science, or biotechnology, or fruit and vegetable technology, food safety and quality assurance, or 1-year PG diploma in food safety, food science, food processing, quality assurance, dietetic or public health, nutrition, dairy science, bakery science, post harvest technology from government recognized university or institute with condition. What is the condition? The candidate who have completed this PG diploma must have studied any of the following subjects in their bachelor degree: chemistry, biochemistry, food technology, food science technology, food and nutrition, edible oil, microbiology, dairy technology, horticulture, industrial microbiology, toxicology, public health, life science, biotechnology, fruit and vegetable technology. Minimum one subject from these subject should be there in their bachelor degree plus 1-year diploma in food safety and food science. That candidate will be eligible for the post of technical position, and or B or B Tech in food and dairy, biotechnology, food processing, engineering, quality assurance will be eligible, and the GAT, CSIR, ICR net will be desirable. For the post of Central Food Safety Officer, number of vacancy is 37. Education qualification degree in food technology, dairy technology, or biotechnology, or oil technology, or agriculture science, veterinary science, or biochemistry, microbiology, or master degree in chemistry, or degree in medicine from a recognized university, or any other equivalent or recognized qualification notified by the central government. GATE, CSIR, or ICR net will be desirable. The person with this qualification will be eligible for the Central Food Safety Officer position. For the post of assistant, education qualification is bachelor degree from the recognized university. Number of vacancies is 33. Next is junior assistant grade first. The education qualification requirement is 12th standard or equivalent examination from the recognized board. Number of vacancies is 3. Next is Hindi translator. Number of vacancy is 1. Education qualification requirement is master degree plus recognized diploma or certificate course in translation from Hindi to English or English to Hindi of 2 years, and with experience of translation working in government, central or state office including government undertaking is the requirement for the Hindi translator post. For the post of personal assistant, number of vacancies is 19. Education qualification is a bachelor degree plus proficiency in shorthand 80 WPM word per minute and typing 40 WPM in English and 35 WPM in Hindi, and should be computer literate, proficiency in using MS Office or internet, and desirable is diploma, certificate in office management, secretarial procedure or equivalent from a recognized or reputed institution. These are the requirements for the personal assistant post. For the post of IT assistant, number of vacancies is 3. The education qualification requirement is bachelor degree with at least 1 year PG diploma degree in computer application or information technology or equivalent degree in relevant field, or bachelor degree in computer application or equivalent degree in relevant field is the education requirement for the IT assistant. Number of vacancies is 3. Next is assistant manager. Number of vacancies is 4. The education qualification is postgraduate degree or diploma in journalism or mass communication or public relation, or postgraduate degree or diploma in social work, psychology or labor and social welfare from a recognized university, or bachelor degree in library science or library or information science of a recognized university or institute, plus 2 year professional experience in library under central or state government or autonomous or statutory organization or public sector undertaking or university. Out of total experience, 2 year of experience should be pay level 6 in central DNS allowance. If person is working in private sector, then the minimum annual cost to company should be 7 lakh for 2 years. For candidate working in public sector bank, insurance companies or private sector, the applicant working in public sector, insurance companies, private sector should indicate their total cost to company. Headwise with supporting document should indicate their organization structure, their position in the organization, and should be drawing the comparable cost to company of immediate lower grade for minimum period of 2 years. If you feel the content is helpful, please like the content and subscribe the channel. For more information and study material and the question series, please join us, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.